My name is Kevin Trujillo. My oral project a dish that I like. The dish that I like is gnocchi soup. We need few ingredients. 1. Chicken. 2. Water. 3. Gnocchi. 4. Milk. 5. Potato. 6. Salt. 7. Dressing. 8. Achot. 9. Garlic. 10. Carrot. 11. Grated onions. Preparation. Step 1. I put a paddle to boil with the water and salt. Step 2. I chop the carrot at kitchen to the pot and bring to the boil. Step 3. I some of the potatoes and wash them with water. Step 4. Add the potatoes is any dressing to the toast. Grate onion and minced garlic. Step 5. I pour the meal together with the achot and pour the ingredient in the noodles. I let it cook for 20 minutes. Step 6. I served the dishes to each a member of my family.